This is CJ with a new Photoshop tutorial where I'll show you how to make a bending 3D text effect. The images I'm using are from Freepik. Links will be in the description. To get started, press Ctrl N to create a new document. The size will be 1920 by 1080, resolution 72 with a white background. Now click OK. Now change the foreground and background colors. For the foreground colors, type in this value, 076B. I have a kitten on my laptop. So the number is 076B77. Then click OK. For the background color, the value will be FDF6F6. And click OK. Now add a gradient layer. Click on Create Fill or New Adjustment Layer. Select Gradient. Select Foreground to Background. For the style, we want radial. The angle, 90 degrees. And scale, 750. And select Reverse. Now click OK. Go to View, New Guide, Horizontal, 50, and click OK. Now, while holding down the left mouse button, from the top ruler, drag down the new guide. Drag right onto the document and then release the mouse button. Now select the text tool. The font I'm using is Elegance. The text should be bold, 700, and black. I'm just choosing black. Now type in your word. I'm just going to type in bend. Select the text, select the Move tool, and move the text to the center of the guideline where you want it to bend. Now right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Type. Now select the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection on the lower half of the text. Then right-click and select Layer via Cut. Now double-click on the layer to rename the layer bottom. Then rename the other layer top. Select the top layer, then go to Edit, Transform, Perspective. Then we're going to move in about 30 degrees. Then right click and select Scale. Then we're going to move down about 200 pixels. Then when you're done, either click on the check mark or hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Now select bottom, go to Edit, Transform, and Perspective. Move in about 10 degrees. Then right click and select Scale. Then we're going to move up just a little. When you're done, hit Enter. Select the bottom layer, then drop your image onto the document. Select the Move tool, now right click on the image layer, then select Create Clipping Mask. Go to Edit, Free Transform, and move and align the photo. Hold the Shift key when resizing and hit Enter. Now select the top layer and drop your image onto the document. Drag and drop. Then right click on the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Go to Edit, Free Transform, move or align the photo, and hold the Shift key when resizing, and when you're done, hit Enter. Select Photo 2 layer, then add a new layer, select the brush tool, we want the size to be 50 pixels, the hardness 0, the opacity and the flow 100. And we want white for the background. Now hold the Shift key, click and hold the brush, click and hold, and then brush through the center. Then right-click on the layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Change the opacity to 50%. Select Photo 1 layer. Add a new layer. Use the brush tool again. Same setting, but this time use black. Hold the Shift key, click and hold, then brush through the center. Right-click on the layer, select Create Clipping Mask. Change the opacity to 30%. Now right-click on the bottom layer, select Blending Options, click on Drop Shadow. For the blend mode, select Multiply. The color box should be black. The opacity, 80%. Angle, 115. Distance, 5. Spread, 0. And size, 10 pixels. Then click OK. Now right-click on the top layer, select Blending Options, click on Drop Shadow, Blend Mode, Multiply, Black, Opacity, 80%, Angle, 115, Distance, 5, Spread, 0, and size, 10 pixels. Then click OK. Go to View, Clear Guides, and that's it. And that's how you make the bending text effect. I'm CJ. Thanks for watching, and God bless.